So hello, this is Francisco for solar system assignment. I'm going to show you. Okay, I have decided. So the sun is the source of light. As you can see, that it comes from here. The light. It's just some point with a big range, so it will be this visible, all the intensity and stuff from all the lights and everything that will affect to the objects. And this I have some canvas. Let's see if you can see it. I didn't make the gizmos working, but I made a planet and a moon. Yeah, it's just the simple buttons, and this is the message when you collision. So for this I just make this, that it's to change the if variable that it's in the game manager, that it's kinda controls all the booleans that I've got on some objects, especially booleans, to change or to activate the UI interfaces. So for example, if this is activate the planet, it will activate the form for the planet. This is just to find this game manager and then activate or disactivate when collisions the end. And this has to be coroutine manager dot stop coroutines, so it will stop everything from the game. And this is just finds all the objects that has these tags, and then to resume them, especially the planets, because they are the ones that has this on the and in the planets. The same for stopping and continue. This is to activate the right cast for adding a moon to a planet, that I will explain how it works later. This is to rotate around or to rotate in an ellipse. I couldn't make it do it with rotations, but I found this that is kinda the local space that we have in the rotate around, and this is the formula or how you calculate a ellipse. Let's see upstairs here where it is. Here, these both are the semi-minor and the semi-major of the ellipse, and then this is it will increasing by the speed of the rotation, so it will go faster or whatever, or slower, sorry, whenever it's close to the sun or not. I couldn't manage to control all the speeds because it's hard, that part where it's longer, and this is just like the radius. It has to be 0 and 0 because it's on the 0. So this is to calculate it, to add, and just adding the real position. So I also did this sorry, to make the one of these, but I mostly use this one. I think in all I used that one. Sorry for this, I will close this now. And this is to instantiate the planet. This is the speeds I told, like if it's this radius, it will go faster, but if the user put it, I could not control it. It just instantiates, stops all the previous coroutines. Then when you add to here, you reannotate the coroutines, all of them. And also, if you have this create moon from the form, it will create the moon that will rotate around the planet, and this is to rotate around the planet. It will just have the moon, this script, and if it is like this is not active, it will just put in the transform that we put it. We just normalize the vector, so and then multiply by the orbit. Also, I put it this transform.rotate around with around the planet position in the vector 3 up, like um, around the y, so it will go like this. And then the angle will be the orbits that I want to rotate in each second plus the orbit distance plus 2,1 to make it not that, because it goes like decreasing and increasing, and this it's less hard, that slower. It was just testing some values, and I also decided to make this in a separate script, so it can rotate around in ellipse and rotate around itself, because if I add these two same scripts, it's hard to do it. And then for adding a moon, I have this, that it's just select the object that you click and then add a moon in there. It will then appear I will tell another form, a different form for this moon. So let's do some small testing now. As I told, this gizmos is not working, so I'm not going to show. As you can see, hardly, because the camera is a bit bad. Let's go to the planet itself. So as you can see, it's not a circle, completely circle, but for example, just this better to 20 better. So as you can see, it makes a harder ellipse. So let's go back to 10. And now we are going to add, I'm going to maximize, so it's better. So it appears tit, that indicates how you add a moon, and then just press here, and here appears the radius that you want to do. It says that write the radius that you want, for example 2.1.2. sorry. So this is the moon that rotates around. As I told, the speeds are not the best, but this is something that can be changed after feedback and everything. So, and now I'm going to create a new planet. So for the semi-minor, that it will be this like the stretches part. So for example, if the previous was 5, then I'm going to use 7 for example, and then to make it, the semi-minor will be the longest. So for example, the double is 14, so maybe 20. It's not necessary because we have this, but for example, let's put 0.6, and yeah, I want a moon, so I'm going to put 1.1 of radius. As you can see, this is the new one, that it's going in a different ellipse than this one. And then I'm going to add a new planet. Okay, it stays as the previous. I forgot to clean this up, I think. It's easy to change. So 35 1.6 I don't want, and this moon that does not have any, I will tell, any moon, and it's that long, and the speed is so low that it's still here, and as you can see, it's still illuminated. And let's see also the rotation, because it's not visible from here. Let's see the first moon. If you can see, it's going fast because of the speed, and this is also the same. So every planet, it's rotating and moving around itself, and the solar and the moon, sorry, the sun. And now I'm going to create a new planet with the same but a bit faster, so at some point it will collide. Let's maybe in there. So this is the message. Oh, it didn't stop. I think it didn't have the tag, or maybe yes, but don't know. going now, but as you can see the other had stopped but not this one. Maybe it's because the prefab or something. I'm not sure now, but so this I think I have done everything but the gizmos and the camera from the last part, and I could make the ellipse a bit hard, how to say, to to see it well, but also it's prepared to show the gizmos or not. I think it has its own stuff, its own code prepared, but I couldn't make it work as it should. I just create some gizmos around it, so it's not what I wanted. And what else I can? Oh, nothing else, because I think it's everything from what you asked for. So thank you for watching, and this is all the assignments from coding. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you.